Alright, so this is my free MRI review with Dr. Ara Deukmedjian. This took place September 2nd, 2022. This was a Zoom video meeting. I was not allowed to record this call in the Zoom software. I have backup video and audio recordings going, as always. I was not allowed to interact and share during the consult. The consult got underway about 1 hour after the scheduled appointment. Dr. Deukmedjian, he gave me incorrect medical advice in this consult, and I'll play an outtake from the recording. Here he tells me that evidence of a broken skull will not show up in an MRI scan, and this is absolutely not true. Any patient out there who is thinking about going to Dr. Deukmedjian for his neurospine surgery, you need to go listen to my entire exchange with this doctor. You can see it on YouTube. It's at YouTube channel My Medical Nightmare. This Dr. Deukmedjian, first he tried to tell me that my pictures were too old. And yeah, what I think happened was when I sent in those MRI pictures, I also sent in the reports. And I think that Dr. Deukmedjian, he saw the contradiction because the original doctors who looked at my scans, they misdiagnosed me. And I had injuries of a broken skull head trauma that showed up in these scans. They told me I had no injuries in the pictures. So yeah, what I think happened was Dr. Deukmedjian, he got in touch with these doctors. And yeah, what you can hear in most of this call is he tries to cover for the other doctor's errors. And yet at the end of our conversation, he starts talking about, well, what does the report say? And it doesn't matter what the report says, okay? He offers a free MRI review, okay? So yeah, I'm sending the images to him to look at those MRI images. But apparently what he does is he simply looks at the reports of the other doctors and will not offer a different opinion. And this is a useless service. And on top of that, this is not a good medical practice. If a patient has injuries and one doctor misses them, if he's able to apply his skill and show otherwise, he should do so. And this is his duty as a medical practitioner.
I'm Dr. Deukmedjian.
Hello.
I looked at your MRI, and I know it's a bit old, but I had a chance to take a peek at it. What's going on? Are you having neck pain?
That area right there, and you can see that the injury, it also kind of covers.
What injury are you talking about?
Okay, I'm talking about this broken piece of bone that came off the underside of my skull.
No, I don't think you have a broken piece of bone.
Is it possible for me to share these images, because I can show you otherwise? In 2018, I believe I broke the underside of my skull, and you can see this in these pictures.
But listen, you wouldn't see that on an MRI.
Yeah, you can. You can see also the side effects, because I broke the underside of my skull and I went into this emergency department. I was misdiagnosed, and then after several months passed, the area became infected. Do you have that other MRI? The MRI?
Listen, it doesn't matter because I don't treat this kind of stuff.